You know the feeling of pure panic. That moment when you change one tiny thing in your project and the whole project just explodes. I have been there. I have once spent the whole weekend rewriting the code I had deleted by accident. A whole weekend just gone. That will never gonna happen to you because today I am going to give you the ultimate undo button. A time machine for your code that will save you from losing your work ever again. It's the single most important tool that separates amateurs from pros. Hey, I am Shashwat and welcome back to Code and Career. New video drops every Wednesday and Saturday. Now I know what are you exactly thinking about. Wait a minute, we just wrote the one line of a code, just one, and why we are jumping to the professional tool called Git. Shouldn't we learn more Python first? And that is an excellent question. Here's why we are doing this now. If you were learning to be a master chef, you wouldn't spend 6 months cooking on a rusting camping stove before being allowed in a real kitchen, right? You want to learn in a professional kitchen with professional tools from day one. Git is the professional kitchen. By learning this now, you are building the most important habit of a real developer. Remember, this is just a second step in our full A to Z course that take you from zero to AI developer. Every single project we build, starting with your tiny hello world file, will be saved using this tool. By the end, we won't just have the skill, we will have the proof and a portfolio. So the first question is, what is Git? Git is a version control system. That's a fancy term, I know, but the idea is very simple. The first way to think about it like a video game. Without Git, you have a folder full of files like this: my project version 1, my project version 2, my project final, I swear this is the last time. And with Git, you just have a one single folder that is called my project. But every time you reach a good stopping point, you tell Git, hey, take a snapshot of my work right now. Git saves perfect a tiny copy of your project every time you save it. It's like pressing the save button just before a big boss battle. This gives you a superpower. Did you try a new feature and realize it was just a terrible idea? No problem, just tell Git to load your last save point. Did you accidentally delete a file? Git has it. It's the ultimate safety net. The more technical way to think about it is as database of snapshots. Every time you commit your code, you are adding a new permanent snapshot to a timeline of your project's history. You can view that history anytime you want, compare snapshot and travel back in time at any point you want. It's incredibly powerful. Okay, enough talks, let's make this real. Imagine you are moving houses. You just don't throw everything into a truck. Git works exactly same way. So let's open our machine. We will do this inside VS Code terminal because it keeps our whole project in one place. So open VS Code. Let's open our folder. Go to File. Open folder. Yeah, that's my folder on the desktop. Let's click open. So we are inside our folder. Let's open terminal. Go to View. Click on Terminal. So as you can see, we are inside our terminal now. So the very first command is git init, which you will run once per project. So let's type in git init, hit enter. So as you can see, it initialize, and let's open our folder. You can see there's a folder called .git. If you can't see it, actually it's a hidden folder. So some of you might ask, what is git init? It's like telling your movers which house to pack. It initializes the project and turn on the time machine for this particular project. Before we make our first save, we have to do a quick one-time introduction. Git needs to know who is making the changes. It's like signing your name to your work. You will have to do this once per a machine. There are just two simple commands. First, we'll tell Git our name. Just type in git config -- space global user dot name and your name inside the quotes. So I'm just typing my name, SHWHE. So that's it, and just hit enter. Now we do the same with our email. So just type git config minus global uscr dot email double quotes. Just type in your GitHub email. Okay, shashwat and hit enter. This is how the GitHub will connect your work to your profile later. So perfect, this handshake is complete. Now Git will stamp your name on every snapshot you create. Next, the 3-step workflow, packing and shipping. Alright, now for our 3-step workflow, step 1 is git add. This is where we pack the moving box. We will tell Git which file we want to put inside the box for this shipment. It's called staging area. So let's type git add hello.py. Hit enter. As you can see, it's done. Next, step 2 is git commit. This is where we seal and label the box. This takes the snapshot and save it permanently with the message using -m as a label on the box. It's your project's diary. So let's type in git commit -m single quotation mark and type initial commit create hello.py and hit enter. And boom, that's it. The box is sealed, labeled and shipped. As you can see, the file is created. But how do we prove it? With step 3, git log. This is like checking the inventory. We type git log. And when you hit enter, see, there it is, a permanent record. Our code is safe in your local time machine. This might feel a little abstract right now, but trust me, this is the skill you want to thank me later. So let's make it real. Go to the comments and tell me, what's the one project, coding or not, that you wish you had a time machine for? So let's hear your horror stories in the comments. You just learned the most important developers habit. We are only on video 2. You are building your skills the right way from ground zero. I'll be back in the next video where we will take our local time machine and connect it with the global developer community. We are going to create our first GitHub repository and put our code online for the world to see. The link to the full course is down in the description. Make sure you have saved it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.